Hello guys, I'm just gonna go right around this Segway Ninebot G30LP. You can see here this scooter comes with the seats. I'm actually riding around with it, it's really comfortable. And I also add the seats for my son. And you can go ahead and check it out if you're interested on this one. If you want to put your child or your daughter, check out my previous video. I actually made a installation video, and also the pricing is also showed there. And I got it on Amazon for like around, I would say like $30 or less. I think now it's probably cheaper, but anyway, you can see here I almost weigh around 200 pounds riding around with my son. I have no issue with it. The motor still can handle me without no problem. I know the capacity of this motor, I would say it's like what, 230 or something like that, or 225 or 220. But like I had no issue, me and him riding around over here. You guys can go ahead and see with my son. We're actually riding it without no problem. Let's go ahead and talk about this scooter. I know I didn't really do much on this scooter as much. I've just been busy with other things, but I like about the scooter is the fact that they still have that look, the original look from the G30 Max model. And on this one, it's just, it has that classic look to it. And you're asking to yourself, okay, what's really the difference between the 30 LP and also just the G version? Well, this one right here is, it can only go 25 miles. And the first version of this is the G version, is it can go all the way to like 40 miles an hour. 40 miles, I'm sorry. And to tell you the truth, who rides 40 miles an hour, miles a day? I mean, that's a long ride. I mean, for me, you can see here, I'm only riding out, I would say I average about like 10 miles. I would say like maybe like 15 miles range. I don't even go that far, you know? So, and most of the time you're gonna charge this thing anyway at night. I mean, you're not just gonna, I don't know. For me, every time I'm done riding my scooter, I charge it, you know, because I know how much I put to it. But like I said, it's good for commute. For the price, it's less than the G version, the first generation of this. I mean, right now you can get this at Costco for like 650. I think you can get it less somewhere else. And the G version of this, the first generation of this, is like almost $900 right now because of the holidays. You can look it up. The pricing is always going up with Segway because they have an amazing app, and also the product is really good. Even though when I compare this to my others previous scooters, I still like this model. I still enjoy riding it around. And also guys, yes, it doesn't have suspension, but like you can actually add on suspension on this one, but I had no issue with it. I mean, I'm just riding this to, you know, I'm not really gonna hit puddles with it. I'm pretty much, you know how to ride scooters, right? You're just gonna ride it around. I mean, if there's a puddle, you will start slowing down. I mean, it's not gonna damage or anything. This thing is built good, just like the previous version of this. But anyway, the top speed is about the same thing of the first version. I would say like 18 miles an hour to, I would say like around 20. I heard, or some people can go up to like 22 miles an hour in this thing, but I did not do any mod on this one yet, so I'm just gonna leave it the way stock. You know, I'm just using this for commute. I'm just gonna ride this with my son to go places with it, you know. I'm not really gonna speed it up because, you know, Segway have this, I would say like, the reason why they have this scooter is not because it's fast. It's just for commute. It's designed for you to just go places, enjoy, and not to get in trouble, you know? I mean, I know it's not the fastest scooter, but like I said, you know, you can go as fast as you want, but when you get in trouble, the scooter's gonna be off your hand. I mean, the authority's gonna take your scooter away from you and you'll be done. You're not gonna ride anymore. So just, if you're gonna get yourself a fast scooter, go to off-road or something, but don't go to commute and start going 40 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour. It ain't gonna work. you're definitely gonna get pulled over, especially riding around town where I'm at. But anyway, you can see here, I'm just riding it around. I'm just having a good time, feeling the breeze, just enjoy the moment with my son. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this Ninebot Max G30LP. Um, if you're deciding which one to get, just for the first version of this, or you want to think about getting the E45, or you want to get the F. There's a lot of version of this scooter from Segway. So, but end of the day, is what budget fits for you. That's the most important thing. But anyway, you guys can go ahead and see here. I have my son, and this is a good thing about the scooter, the seats that I got him, because of the fact that, you know, even though I'm just walking over here or something, he can actually just sit down and kind of like a cart, kind of like kid's cart or something. You know, he can just chill there. But you can see here, he's comfortable with it, and it's good. So I think it's worth the purchase of $30 or something like that. So just look it up my previous video. I'll show you guys the link here if you're interested on this seats add-on on your Segway Ninebot G30LP, or just the Segway, the first generation is also good. But let me know what you guys think, guys. That's all. I'm just giving you guys my thought of this scooter, and I'm just enjoying it, man. And it's awesome scooter to commute, I would say. And also, I have a video of this Segway Ninebot G30LP going uphill and going downhill. And with my son, if you're interested, look at how that thing perform on going uphill and downhill. Go check out my next video, I would say. But anyway, I'm just showing you are riding around here and just showing you what this Segway Ninebot G30LP, what it can do. And so far so good. It's just like the first version, you know. I don't think you can really see the difference. Of course, if you're really gonna go long range, then you probably will see the really difference. But like I said, 10 miles, 20 miles, you get tired running around with this thing. I think it would be good just to ride around, I would say like 15. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.